Hi guys. Open source intelligence OSINT is the collection and analysis of data collected from open source in order to obtain actionable intelligence information. OSINT is primarily used in national security, law enforcement, and business intelligence functions, and is of value of analysts who use non-sensitive intelligence in answering classified, unclassified, or proprietary intelligence requirements across the previous intelligence disciplines. OSINT sources can be divided up into 6 different categories of information flow. Media, print newspapers, magazines, radio and television from across and between countries. Internet, online publications, blogs, discussion groups, citizen media, cell phone videos and user-created content, YouTube and other social media websites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This source also outpaces a variety of our sources due to its timeliness and ease of access. Public government data, public government reports, budgets, hearings, telephone directories, press conferences, websites and speeches. Although this source comes from an official source, they are publicly accessible and may be used openly and freely. Professional and academic publications, information required from journals, conferences, symposia, academic papers, dissertations, and theses. Commercial data, commercial imagery, financial and industrial assessments and databases. Gray literature, technical reports, reprints, patents, working papers, business documents, unpublished works, and newsletters. OSINT is distinguished from research in that it applies the process of intelligence to create tailored knowledge supportive of a specific decision by a specific individual or group. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bye guys.